Hey everyone, welcome to the snowy north, April 1st, 2020. Well, the snow finally quit after 4 days. I'm going to go hide behind here. Behind it was 6 in the hole here. And we're going to start the 8 up. We've had snow for 4 days. We've had to bed cows every single day because the straw just covers up with snow. And there's just too much snow around now to do anything. Hold on. So we got the charger on it with the generator. The batteries are a little bit low. But we haven't used it all too much this year. Maybe 3 times this whole winter. So we had it on the generator charger yesterday all day. And now we just got on there for a little extra boost. So we're gonna have a cold start. It's minus 12 right now. It was close to 20 this morning. Oh, she doesn't want to crank. Well, this is the second day. We had a little trouble starting yesterday. We had to put the charger on both batteries. Wasn't making a proper connection there with the charger, so it was pretty easy to start today. And it was colder. It's colder today than yesterday. We got minus 14 right now, and it was 26 at 5 in the morning, so it's pretty cold. But yeah, we just doing some plowing. I don't have my seatbelt on. This snow started to drift yesterday, so thought we better go and get this cleared out before it starts drifting again. We can't make it to the cows. A lot of snow. And it's supposed to be plus 8 next week, so it might be a lot less snow by next week. But the nights are still cold though. It's windy today, so we're getting a heavy wind from the west, so it's cold. So this is the feed yard here where the cows are. Cows are bedded down over there. So we're gonna clear all this snow away. It's a lot of snow. And it should help it dry up better here. Won't be so much water. This is probably the total amount of snow. Well, this is already blown away. I don't know. It's close to a foot. But some did start blowing. I gotta move these feeders out of here. And there's only 4 of them. And you can push the snow up. Well, I got 3 of the 4 feeders out. I couldn't get that one out. It's frozen. And damn near killed myself on that thing trying to get it out. Fell between the bars. I was climbing on top of it. Fell in between. You know how that works for a man. Saying too bad you didn't have a snow wing. You know, when all is said and done, there's going to be a big snow pile. I'll come back later and we'll see what the progress is. Well, I'm back here today. Lori's got most of the snow plowed up. Looks pretty good. Over there was manure. He's got that right down to pretty much to the ground. There'll still be some underneath from being frozen. We still got to move that feeder. It's froze down pretty good. So. That's a lot of snow. It's going to take a while to melt this stuff, but at least the yard will be drier in the meantime. I would like to take the 8 out to the pasture. Got a little bit more fence lines to clear. Well, it was clear already, but it's grown in. So that would be nice to do it before it starts breaking up, which is next week. We got some highs of plus 11 for one day there. Who remembers the old salt shed that we made on YouTube? Oh, it's got to be about 2 years ago now. Probably the best one we made. Have to make another one for home. I wouldn't mind to incorporate some kind of an oiler on the bottom here, because they like to rub on the plywood. So having an oiler incorporated into it would probably be not a bad idea. It's kind of cold out here still, but you can tell the sun's pretty powerful now. That green roof is just steaming on there, melting that snow off. Spring is here. kind of late, but it's here. Technically. Well, he's just got a little bit to do there. We're pretty much done. So I'm gonna take off now. Keep going, do my taxes. It sucks. Anyway, we'll talk to you all later. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like, and keep on watching.